This is my whole house tankless water heater. It is capable of running 2 bathrooms and a kitchen all at the same time. It's gas fired. That's your gas line right there. But if there was a power outage, will I be able to get this running? The answer is yes. I could use one of these, a solar power generator, one as small as this. This is pretty small. You could see my hand. And it comes in only at 300 watt. So let's hook this up and let's see what the draw readout on the display, and let's see how long it can run it for, something that small. So we're gonna unhook it here from the power. So this is the extension I have running it. I'm gonna unhook it. Okay, so get this turned around, and we're gonna plug it into here. Okay, and let's get it powered on. Now let's see. I think we have to turn the AC portion on also. There we go. So we have it running there. So it's firing up. Okay. So now it's has initialized and it's not registering anything. So let's turn on a faucet and run it on the hot side, and let's see what our draw will look like. So now it's running. We can hear it's going on. And now we have 25 watts. And it could go straight for some 7 hours on 25 watts. It fluctuates according to how much draw, how much heat it needs. So there you have it. As a matter of fact, back in Sandy, when we were out of power for almost a week, I was able to run one just like this on something as small as this. I'm not able to hook this one up because this one is damaged, it's broken, it's not good, but it's just 175 watts and it was able to run it. Plug this into a cigarette lighter. At the time I hooked it up on a battery and it was able to run my tankless water heater. So if you have gas at your home, you can always feel free to get a tankless water heater that is gas fired, and you can get away from the traditional tank water heater that is just heating water all the time, even when you're not using it. When I go on vacation, I never have to worry about wasting any kind of energy heating up water. So there you have it. A solar power generator as small as this can easily run a tankless water heater. Hope you like this video.